What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of GF Outdoors. It is October 18th, and me and Kyle were heading back to the Oak Ridge where we've hunted a couple times. I actually hunted there this morning and saw a pretty good buck right after first light, but didn't see anything else. But a big cold front came in last night, and it seems like the deer are up on their feet and moving. So the oaks are still dropping big time, and it's gonna be a little while before those acorns are gone. So definitely trying to hit them while they're there, and hopefully we get a big buck. The rut's gonna be kicking in here soon, and I did grunt at that buck this morning, and he didn't like that very good. He kind of jumped off pretty quick, but so I'm probably not gonna do any calling quite yet, but maybe we'll get a doe, maybe we'll get a buck. I'm not sure. Hopefully we get a shot and we see some deer. That's the main thing. So let's go ahead and head to the stand. What do you say? My stand's right there. Literally, my stand. Y'all can see the strap right there on my stand. I'm nowhere away. We're about 60 yards apart today. Okay? Hey, look. See one. Get it now, okay? I'm I might be able to see you from my tree. I'm not sure. I think it's gonna be a good afternoon though, okay? All right, get them. A little chilly. Yeah, get them. All right, so as y'all can see, we are not far away at all. I just left her stand, and I'm right here at my stand that I hunted this morning. So this is my hang on that I got it hidden up there really good. But through the years, I've shot a lot of deer out of this stand. It's right up there. So let's get up there. Maybe it's our afternoon. It is 4:27. So let's get it. All right, well, we just got settled into the tree. Maybe things happen. Got the sun beaming on me right now, but it'll go behind the trees right here in a minute. Beautiful afternoon, like a high of like mid-50s. And it's supposed to drop down pretty cold tonight, so should be pretty good. Just shot that doe at 58 yards. And it looks like I absolutely smoked her. I'm gonna give about 15 minutes and we're gonna get down and we're gonna check the arrow. The shot felt good. I look back at the footage, it looks good. It looks like it hit her right behind the shoulder. So we're gonna give her just a little bit of time. And Kai has already told me she's freezing. It is a little chilly, but that was a whole gang of does come by, so felt really good to get a good shot off. I know I've kind of blown some shots this year, but I am a pretty good bow shot, and I was pretty frustrated about those misses, I'm not gonna lie. This deer was nice and relaxed. If anybody's wondering why I shot her that far, head down, eating acorns, had no idea nothing was going on. And you know, a lot of times when they're that far, they don't jump the string or anything. I've shot some deer at some pretty long distances, and you know, she was nice and relaxed. I took my time and made a good shot, it looks like, so maybe we can find her. All right, so we trailed for about maybe 30 yards at the most, and we had found just a little bit of blood, but we couldn't really find the trail. And I just found the arrow, and the arrow looks good. We do got some blood leading up to here. As a matter of fact, it's all right there, over beside her. But we're gonna come through here. It looks good. I can see some as we're working through here. So we're gonna take the arrow and put it in the quiver. It's got ants all over. As a matter of fact, we're not gonna put that in the quiver. We're gonna set that right there for right now, so we can see it. But we're gonna get on this trail and see if we got a big old doe at the other end of it. So get back on it because we kind of got off of it with it. Went around right here. Let me see. Here, yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Right here. Right there. So she went under here. So
yeah.
should be right in there. Yeah, there's some there.
Yeah. Starting to see it now.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit harder to see now. There's some right there.
Right where?
Right here. There's some.
Yep. About to say something. Did I shoot both of the knocks? You see her? Shoot. Crap. Can I come up there? You're gonna what?
All right, so me and Kai, we're back in the woods, and basically I shot this deer at about 5:45 and just wanted to update y'all. We trailed blood. It was very sparse, but we did, you know, we got on a pretty decent trail, and we got about 100 yards from where I shot the deer, and we found a deer bedded up. So we backed out. I'm not sure if it's that deer that I shot or not. You know, I may have gotten it, and it might have been another deer bedded with it, but we wanted to be safe. Even though the shot looks good, we backed out, and we're going back in now, and hopefully, the deer will be laying right there where we where we backed out at. So we're gonna head in now and see what we can find. Hopefully it's a dead deer at the end of this trail. All right, y'all. Well, we got right here to the last row. Basically, I'm gonna show y'all. I turned my Luminoc on so I can see, and I came up right through here, right to where right to where we last saw them, and we come through the ditch, and I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a white belly right there. Yes. All right, let's go get her.
You need to be first. 'Cause,
Oh, that is a big old doe too. I mean, yes.
go slow up on our
Yep. There she is. We got her. All right, y'all. Well, here she is. She is a great big doe. I mean, big mature doe. And possibly one of the biggest ones that I've ever harvested. I'm going to be honest with you. Great big old head. She is a beautiful, beautiful deer. And that's one thing about it, you know, especially when you take a deer with a bow. To me, it means so much more than, with a gun. That's why I bow hunt. And, this is a beautiful deer. We're going to get her cleaned up, and, she'll give us some good meals, and that's really what it's all about. And then to come and, follow this track with my daughter. This was actually her first actual track on an archery deer, so it was very cool to be able to share this with her as well. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to get her drug out. She's going to be a pretty good heavy girl to be dragging. We got about 100-yard drag, so not too bad, but she is a beautiful deer. So we're going to go ahead and get her out of here. And I appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these type of videos. I'm glad to finally get a harvest on film for y'all, and I'll see you next time on GF Outdoors.